Mastering the phrase, get the hang of it. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English phrase, get the hang of it. This phrase is widely used in everyday English conversations, and mastering its use can significantly boost your fluency. So, if you've ever wondered what it means and how to use it properly, you're in the right place. Let's explore together. Get the hang of it is an idiom that means to understand how to do something after practicing or experiencing it for a while. It implies that someone is becoming more comfortable or proficient with a task, activity, or concept. This phrase can be applied to a wide range of contexts, from learning a new skill to adapting to a new environment. The exact origin of "get the hang of it" is a bit murky, but it's believed to have appeared in English in the 19th century. The word hang, in this context, might relate to finding the correct balance or approach to something, much like finding the best way to hang an object so that it stays in place. Over time, this phrase has become a staple in English vernacular, embodying the journey from novice to proficient. To fully grasp, get the hang of it, let's look at some examples. 1. Learning a musical instrument. When I first started playing the guitar, it felt impossible. But I finally got the hang of it after a few months of practice. 2. Using new technology. It took my grandma a while to get the hang of her new smartphone, but now she's texting and taking photos like a pro. 3. Adapting to a job. The first week on the job was overwhelming, but I quickly got the hang of it and felt more comfortable with my responsibilities. These examples show how the phrase can be used in various scenarios to express becoming adept at something previously challenging. To master using "get the hang of it," practice is key. Here are a few tips. Listen for it in English movies, shows, and conversations. Contextual usage helps cement understanding. Use it in your own conversations, especially when talking about new skills or experiences. Pair it with other expressions of learning and improvement, like catch on, pick up, or get to grips with, to enrich your English vocabulary. Congratulations! You've now got the hang of understanding and using the phrase, get the hang of it. Remember, learning a language is all about practice, patience, and exposure. We hope this video has been informative and encourages you to confidently use this phrase in your daily English conversations. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful English learning content. See you in the next video.